This will be take number 3 today. We found a road on an old industrial park that hopefully no one will drive by. Have the car with the 14 kilogram Injora, the 80 amp goolrc 4S speed controller, the 3665 4500 kV motor. Same as last time, just replaced all the broken parts. Oh, battery. Get it together and we'll run. No. All right. Make sure the GPS is working. Please. We are working. And let's see if we get more than one run. It probably is fine. It's why I know that. That was a second. Let me read it first. First speed check, I think that was at least a split second of full throttle. Yeah.
69, there you go. So
but that also means that we're hitting a power limit again. That was wide, like a split second wide open, which means we're probably not going to get much over 75.
Yeah, but you want to hold.
Yeah, I want to. Yeah,
What do you think? What do you think it'll be? I'd say maybe.
So by the time it came out of range, it was reading 55 miles an hour.
I'd say 76.
Dude, I would be very happy with 76. That's gonna do this thing again. Please. Come on. The problem is that the next step is the 120 amp ESC. Yeah, it reads sometimes. Yes.
Oh, 70 fucker.
All right, we'll do one more, and then I'm gonna have to switch over to the bigger speed control. I see pieces.
What was that? Yeah, 5 more miles to go.
Well, there's part of the splitter. Oh man, the glue's ripped off the tire. See what you can collect for pieces, cause oh, that's the battery tray.
Yeah.
Oh, the battery came out. Oh no. Battery's pretty warm.
I would hope so.
Got control arm number 1. Is the right control arm still in one piece? Oh wow. Dude, even the GPS came off. We'll see if it survives.
My control arm fucked sideways.
Oh, that's not the problem. Look, we broke the... This is what I was worried about. I broke the strut off the frame. Damn, look at those links. Oh, and it broke that off too. Off the front here, and this one too. And we lost wheel weights.
That's wild.
Bro, even the motor's leads came undone. Well, here's what's left of it. Broke most of the front mounting points off, strut, but 14 kilogram Injora, same goolrc guy. Blew up the adapter I made and the 3665 4500 kV motor. We will do some surgery and then we'll be back out, but with a much bigger speed control. I think we're maxed out on this one. Thanks.